The Ktaxon 12-unit AV rack is built from sturdy cold-rolled steel with a smooth powder-coated finish that feels solid and durable in daily studio use. Its lockable caster wheels roll easily on hard floors or low-pile carpet, then lock firmly so your gear does not drift once you have it positioned. Ventilated side panels promote steady airflow around amplifiers and processors, helping keep temperatures in check during long recording or rehearsal sessions. The removable side panels and open front design make it straightforward to route cables, swap hardware, and access rear connections without fighting the frame. Standard 19-inch rack compatibility means it works well for a mix of studio, live sound, and networking gear, from audio interfaces to power conditioners and small servers. Clear labeling, included hardware, and a simple frame layout allow even first-time users to assemble the rack quickly into a tidy, professional-looking equipment hub.